In this video, we are going to show how you can get free web hosting forever without any ads. In the Google search bar, search for Free Infinity. Click on the Infinity free link at the top. Here, you will get free website hosting with PHP, MySQL, and without ads. Once you sign up, you can go to the client area. And here, you can create up to 3 accounts. Click on the Create Account button. Choose a domain name. You can create a new subdomain or add a custom domain of your choice. We're going to create a subdomain. These are the domain name extensions that you get. You need to choose any one of them. Click on the Check Availability button right below. You can see the domain is available means you can proceed further. Account username will generate automatically, you just need to create a password. Click on the Create Account button right below. As you can see, the account is now created. You can access its control panel by clicking on this button right here. Click on the I approve button if you want to get updates regarding your account and other offers. The cPanel is going to load now. Here, you will all options that you get in the panel like File Manager, Database, Emails, etc. In the Accounts dashboard, you can see all details. Click on Domains on the left. Here, you'll be able to see all attached domains to this account. Click on this website and you'll see the domain is live and properly working. Now, you can add WordPress or any other software using this option. There are many options available like Joomla, OpenCart, Laravel, etc. We're going to choose WordPress for the time being. Click on the Install button. The domain name is already filled at the top. You can change the title and description if you want, or you can do it later. Provide the WordPress admin username and password. Scroll down and select the theme that you want to use. Finally, click on the Install button at the bottom. The installation process will take a couple of minutes. Now the WordPress installation is complete. You can check the website, the selected theme is also applied. In addition, all subdirectories are also created and working properly. You can access the WordPress admin dashboard. Use the username and password that you just created. These are all the current pages and this is the only demo post. You can add more. That's what the post looks like. Go to the Free Infinity dashboard and click on the MySQL Databases option. From here, you will get the MySQL username and password. These are other details like database name, host name, and port number. Click on the PHPMyAdmin button to access it. Here, you can see all tables in the database. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.